Good evening, everyone. I would like to extend a warm welcome to the Mini Hackathon Awareness Session 2025 organized by MS Club of SLIIT. I'm Pamela Sapunika and I'll be your host for today's event. Today, we are here to spark creativity, collaboration, and innovation as we prepare to explore ideas that can shape real world solutions. Hackathons are not just about coding, they are about learning, experimenting, and finding innovative solutions to real world challenges. This awareness session is designed to give you the insights, guidance, and confidence you need to take part in mini hackathon successfully. Today's session aims to give you a clear idea about mini hackathon and inspire you for what's ahead. We will be talking about key points about the mini hackathon, then an introduction to our partners who are immensely supporting this event. Then you will get a chance to hear from our last year's winners. And finally, we will conclude by explaining the overall process of mini hackathon this year. So let's get started. To begin today's session, let us warmly welcome Mr. Jagat Vikramaratna, Academic Coordinator and a Senior Lecturer in Software Engineering at the Faculty of Computing, SLIIT, to share a few words with us.
Thank you for inviting me for this mini hackathon. Right. Why we have to participate for events or competitions as students? So if you are not participating for any event, if you are totally focusing on academic, it is very easy. Why? You are having only academic work, assignments, midterm exam, final exam, and uh, a set of assessments. But why we have to participate for competitions like mini hackathon? So you are having many benefits so than other students, right? So I'll give some clues and I'll give some. I'll explain what are the reasons why we are motivating students to participate for hackathon and other extracurricular activities as academics. Right. Okay. Why we have to participate for hackathons or any academic, any other uh, extracurricular activities? 99% of you are targeting industry. Right? So if you are targeting in the industry, if you are targeting a job, if you are targeting a job in very competitive field, what you have to develop, what industry expect? They expect a high quality product to give a job, to provide a internship, to provide a training. They are expecting a high quality product. So what high quality means, you have to have set of skills, mainly two, right? Technical skills and soft skills. Technical skills, uh, as academics, we are trying our best to provide you technical skills and we are trying to help you to improve and develop technical skills. For example, programming, problem solving, how to do coding, different skills in different software, programming languages, and how to design, right? How to create good innovative solutions, how to create circuits, IoT kits, machine learning modules, technical skills, right? And soft skills. When you are trying to convince your ideas, when you are trying to talking, when you are trying to work with your users, know their needs, or in we are using the word user research, how to meet a three-wheel driver, how to meet a doctor, how to meet a businessman, and how to discuss and how to find out their issues, their pain points. You need soft skill knowledge. Right? When you are working with teammates, you need soft skills. Otherwise, you have to be isolated. It is not available in industry. and you had to be punctual. You had to finish your assigned task on time, right? So this type of competitions help you to develop both soft skills and technical skills. If you develop both skills, you can get a better chance in the industry, right? So that's why as academics, we are always encourage our students to join with the hackathon, or you can start with mini hackathon, then you can go for hackathons. Uh, Okay, if I elaborate this a little bit more, when you are trying to participate for mini hackathon or hackathon, right? So you have to prepare how uh, coding can be. So you can self-study or you can improve your coding, then design skills, right? And within that fixed time period, how you can tackle real world problems, complex problems, and how to analyze and come up with a good solution. And how, to come up with a good solution for existing problems, what are the available novel technologies? For example, the earlier or existing solution you can improve using machine learning. Uh, so by participating, you can sharpen your skills. Then when you are working with others or your team for competition, like mini hackathon or any design competition, then you have to communicate with your teammates properly. And you have to you can easily network with others. For example, say you are having team with 4 members. Uh, if all 4 members work together uh, in their maximum capacity, you can easily go for a good solution. But as humans, no, all are not equal. Some members are working uh, up to the expected level. Some members are working more. Some members are having difficulties to contribute. So you can easily understand, you can easily collaborate with the humans. You can learn how to work with these humans and to achieve your goals by participating in this type of competition. Right? What else? For a given solution, you can come up with many solutions. For identified problem, you can come up with many solutions. In your solution can be a very very known or uh, solution, or it can be a innovative or creative solution. Your solution can be conventional type, or it can be a innovative or creative type solution. If your solution is conventional type, uh, users are not getting a good experience. If your solution for a given problem is innovative and creative, you can provide a better user experience. Users may happy tend to use a solution. Uh, by participating in this type of competition, you can learn. It's a very competitive environment, many groups competing with you, then you tend to use uh, your full capacity to come up with innovative and creative solutions. Right? It's a very good uh, benefit for your academic work and uh, to be a industry ready person. Right? And another couple of benefits. I'm not taking more time. By completing all of this, your academic, mini hackathon, all the competition, at the end, you want to find a good job, well-paid job in a reputed company. If anything you did within your undergraduate time, if it is not supporting to find a good job, it's a waste. Right? But if you are doing this type of hackathon or any competition, what happens is you will be automatically becomes uh, industry ready person. Why? You are learning new technologies, you are improving yourself, then you are learning what are the industry expectations, what are the industry trends, and you are automatically becomes industry ready person. Right? And it will uh, improve your confidence and help for your personal growth. So those are the few points. Again, if you are doing academic only, your life is bit easy. Right? You are having exams, assessment, uh, midterm, like set of defined assessment. But all needs more effort. I know that's why I said it's bit easy. Right? You have to prepare and do. Then you have to complete your academic. Then you have to be industry ready once you complete academic work. But if you are participating in this type of competitions, what happens? You are doing both parallel. What are the things you are doing parallel? You are completing your academic and you are trying to be industry ready person in parallel by developing all the expected skills from the industry. Simply technical skills and soft skills. So my advice for students, try to balance your academic work and try to get maximum of this opportunity. Microsoft Club of MS Club of SLIIT try to help you. They are showing you the starting point. This is mini hackathon. Then once you participate for this, then you can see what else after this. It can be hackathon. It can be hackathon organized by local universities. There may be hackathons organized by foreign universities. Many more opportunities. This is just a start. Get maximum of this. MS Club, thank you very much for organizing mini hackathon for students, and thank you for inviting me. Thank you very much. Please try to get maximum from this organized event.
Now let's welcome our next speaker, Mr. Pasan Karunasekara, an Associate Site Reliability Engineer at IFS. He is also the former Secretary of MS Club of SLIIT of 2022-2023, and today he will be sharing his journey, valuable insights, and tips to help you get ready for Mini Hackathon 2025. Over to you, Mr. Pasan.
Good evening, everyone. So it's great honor to be here today as your guest speaker in Mini Hackathon. So this is a event very close to my life as well because I've been in both sides. As first I joined as a participant in Mini Hackathon, and later I had privilege to be in a part of the organization team as well as the secretary of the MS Club. So let me share a bit of my own story regarding the mini hackathon with my memories about the mini hackathon. So when I first participate in hackathon, the challenge was provided to a solution to Microsoft sustainable support problems in the first round. So my team, I had to prepare slides and also create a 3 minutes video presentation of our solution. So in that time, actually, as I remember, our idea was to create a plantation monitoring system and which aim to use technology to make agriculture more efficient and sustainable. And so the hardest part was honestly, it wasn't coding that time. So in the first round, so in that time mini hackathon, so they are accepting the idea in the first round. So it was sorting our ideas into 3 minutes video. So we had so much to say, so much ideas, so much technologies to explain. So but the time was little time. So we have overcome the that by identifying the key points and focusing only on what mattered most. So actually it was a great challenge because in the industry also you have to express your idea within a short amount of time to the presentation panels or managers as well. So also we had to make sure our solution was unique. It was another challenge because we have to do a research, and if the solution is existing, so it not going to be a innovative solution. So we spent some time to studying existing solutions and find out where our, our idea can stand out. So what I have to tell is actually in that time, so we are planning to create a robot for the monitor the garden entire garden. So it's a rover, so it can monitor the air quality and water quality and provide it in insights through a web application. So that was our plan in that time. So and so our effort actually paid off, and we passed into the second round as well. So where we had to present our idea and show a small wireframe to the judge panel as well with the live presentation. So now actually the funny part was that I was a computer systems and network engineering student that time. So, and I had no experience with the software development. So what I know in that time was the object-oriented concepts. So I was in the first year actually in that time. So, but by working with team, so that's why I'm telling actually teamwork is the greatest strength in the hackathon. So, but by working with my team, I learned from them and I discussed our ideas together. So we managed to create a presentation and showcase our idea vision. So, but unfortunately, in that time, as I remember, we didn't pass into the third round in the finals. So, but I didn't see it as a failure because that is the time for me. It was the first step in my journey. Eventually, led me into the explore the options of their technologies other than the system networking things. So, and later helped me to land into the jobs related to that field as well. So now I am a site reliability engineer at IFS. So actually those hackathon knowledge, what I have started to explore DevOps technologies and uh, software engineering technologies, that's helped me a lot. So actually the hackathon planted the seed for my career as well. So, and that's why I tell you, even if you don't win, you still win because inexperience shapes you. So, and also now some of you guys might be wondering what is the real value of the hackathon. So my answer is hackathon prepare you for the real life industry challenges. So let's think so as Jagat sir mentioned, so 99% of you are planning to get a job in industry, and I think that some of you guys have idea and already got any startups as well. So let's imagine, so you are hired to at a company and your manager or your senior asks you to implement a system. So in my perspective, so my manager can be asked to visualize server metrics, how to monitor the our environments. So then I will need to come up with a clear proposal, design an implementation plan. So that's exactly like being asked to provide the solution in hackathon as well. So then I have to go through the technologies available and I have to do a research and create a presentation proposal. So, or let's see, actually, you start your own company or startup. So you will need to identify problems, create innovative solutions, and provide customers uh, the innovative ideas and design your own product. So again, exactly the process you go through the hackathons. So that's why I'm telling this is a real life industry challenge training. So, and we have seen success stories in hackathons as well. In my time, as I remember in 2022, teams from mini hackathon have gone on complete international levels. So, for example, the team Nanoshilpa first they won in mini hackathon and they applied for Microsoft Imagine Cup and they eventually made up to top three global finalists. So that shows you how far this platform can take you in hackathon levels. So it's a great thing for you as well. And so actually, my advice is to you guys today is to be creative, think differently, explore your ideas, and because innovative things start with bold thinking, and be accurate, support your creativity with right technologies, research and execution, and be open to learning even if you don't want to know everything at the time, because you have a team. Your teamwork, research and effort will push you forward. So actually, to all participants, actually remember today could be your first step towards something big. So treat this is not just as a competition, so but as an opportunity to learn, grow, and prepare the challenges ahead. So who knows? Actually, maybe the idea you pitched today. So actually, it will be representing Sri Lanka in next year as well. So actually, that's what I have to tell you today. So thank you, and I wish you all the very best for Mini Hackathon, and thank you for MS Club for inviting me here. So, and good luck with your organization as well. So, thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Pasan, for sharing your experience and knowledge with all of us today. Now, we are proud to introduce our platinum partner for Mini Hackathon 2025, Innovate. We are glad to have Innovate team on board as this partnership supports our mission to encourage young innovators and inspire creation of innovative software solutions. Now let's hear from Innovate team about Mini Hackathon 2025.
So hi everyone. Good evening, and it's an honor to join you today at SLIIT's Hackathon. So on behalf of Innobot, we are proud to be the platinum sponsor of this event. So about hackathons, they are about creativity, problem solving, and teamwork. They are values that define who we are as a company. So my name is Gehara and I'm a manager at Innobot. So I'm here to tell you the story of Innobot, like how we began, where we are now, and why your generation of innovators matters so much to our journey. So, Innobot is an automation and software development company that was founded in Sri Lanka and we're headquartered in the United States. For the last 4 years, we've been delivering innovative technology solutions to industries worldwide, and we have a strong presence in the US. So, we currently have a team of 320 plus professionals as of today, and we're serving 50 plus clients globally. And we've also consistently helped our clients achieve like an incredible 97% reduction in manual time through automation. So, Timot, would you like to explain about what we do at Innobot?
Thank you, Gihara. So I'm manager as well at Innovate, and again, we are very honored to be the platinum sponsor for this hackathon event. So yes, going back to what we do at Innovate, right? So we focus on three main areas. One is software development. That means building applications and platforms with an emphasis on quality, standards, and efficiency. And the next thing we focus is automation using robotic process automation, which is what we call as RPA tools like UiPath and custom scripts in Python to eliminate repetitive work. And then what we are most excited about is AI and emerging tech. integrating artificial intelligence, data analytics, and cloud platforms to create smarter, future ready solutions. What makes us stand out is not just the tools we use, but the standards we follow. Every solution we deliver is scalable, reliable, and enterprise grade. So, why automation and standards matter, you might ask? So, automation is transforming the world. Every industry, from healthcare to finance to logistics, is looking for ways to scale faster, reduce costs, and improve accuracy. But here's the truth: automation without quality and standards doesn't last. At Innobot, we don't just build quick fixes. We build sustainable, efficient systems that are tested, standardized, and capable of delivering results long term. That's why our clients trust us. When we say 97% manual time saved, it's not just a number. It's a guarantee backed by rigorous quality checks and engineering discipline. So back to Gihara, why would you like to tell about our culture and people?
Yes. So thank you, Timot. And we like to say that behind every automation solution, there's a talented team building it. So at Innobot, we fully believe in grooming future leaders. We invest in training, mentorship, and real world exposure. So from day one itself, our engineers, our developers, our team, they're encouraged to think critically, and they're following global standards, and they deliver with efficiency. So we combine the speed and creativity of a startup with the professionalism and discipline of an established enterprise company, which is why in 4 years we've grown so rapidly while maintaining a reputation for quality and consistency. So Timot, can you explain why this would matter to these students?
Of course, Gara. So, yes, why should you, as students and future innovators, care about what we do? Um, because the exact skills you are learning today are the ones driving industries forward. Python, UiPath, cloud computing, AI, data science. These are the building blocks of modern automation, and you are already working with them in your studies and hackathons. At Innobot, you will get the opportunity to take these skills and apply them on a global stage. You will work with international clients, you will solve real business problems, and most importantly, you will grow not just as a developer but as a leader. So, Gihara, tell me about the career pathways we have at Innobot.
Sure. So here's how that journey might look with us. So first of all, we offer internships where you get to work with hands-on projects like where you get to learn tools like UiPath and Python under guidance of experienced mentors. And then we have developers and business analysts who deliver full automation solutions so that we deliver them with efficiency and quality. And we have specialists focusing on areas like AI, process design, and cloud infrastructures. We also have leaders, so they manage our teams, they shape our products, and they're the ones who set the global standards. So at every stage, you'll be trained, mentored, and held to the highest standards because at Innobot, quality is not optional, it is our foundation. So, a little bit about our vision, it is to expand automation beyond any single industry. With AI, RPA, and intelligent software, we believe we can bring efficiency and innovation to every sector across every industry. So the future of automation isn't just about replacing tasks, it's about building systems that are smarter, faster, and more efficient. So while upholding the highest standards of quality, and that future will be built by you, our next generation of engineers and innovators. So Timothy, can you um
Yes, Gihara.
yeah.
Yeah. So let me close with this. Innobot is more than just an automation company. We are a team of innovators who believe in quality, standards, and efficient developments. So we are proud to sponsor this hackathon as platinum sponsor because we know the future leaders of technology are sitting in this very session. So let's work together. Let's build solutions that don't just work, but last, scale, and inspire. So thank you so much for your time and best of luck with your hackathon projects.
Thank you, Innovate team, for your unwavering support and encouragement. And also, we are proud to have the Microsoft Student Ambassadors as our knowledge partner for Mini Hackathon 2025. We are excited to have their support on this incredible journey. Therefore, a big thank you to the Microsoft Student Ambassadors as well for partnering with us for Mini Hackathon 2025. Next, we are delighted to welcome Janukshan Sivakumar, team leader of the winners of Mini Hackathon 2024, Team ICY. He will be sharing his experiences and tips from last year's hackathon to inspire and guide you for Mini Hackathon 2025.
I am Janukshan Sivakumar, third year software engineering undergraduate at SLIIT. So I'm also a member of MS Club and I am currently working as an intern at IFS. So I'm very much excited today because last year I was a participant in this event and now I am a speaker here. And yeah, it's very great to be the winners of the last year's mini hackathon. And as of now, I think you all have a brief idea about what's a mini hackathon and what's going on and all those things, but I'll give it from a participant's perspective. So the name mini hackathon, that means it can be a bit scary for the newbies. Like if you are in first year or second year, you don't think just like if it's the name is hackathon, you have to hack something or coding, all those complex things. No, it's not like that. All you must have is just a good idea and a simple design. So you can bring all your dreams into reality here. And so I'll share my experience, how we got it through. And as you know, first we were not aware of this. Actually, I don't know about this competition last year. So at the end, on the end of the deadline, I saw a flyer that today is the last day for applying for the mini hackathon. So at that time, I was in second year, second sem. So we had a project called MAD. So we were doing Figma, the prototypes and all those stuff. And the requirements for the first round was just a prototype for a good idea. So that time I was doing a similar project and it was also just like a creative thing which I was thinking of just like to do like a startup on all those stuff. So just I was doing that for the MAD project and later I found the same topic in the criteria for the first round. So that was the place where I thought to apply. So I gathered my gang of friends, so who always with me, and we just wanted to try this like a icebreaker. So it was our first hackathon too. So we haven't participated in any other competitions before that. So we had to participate and just we all our motivation was just to participate, but we ended up as winners. And so as like that, we went through the first round and luckily we got selected. And in the second round, we had some live presentations. And don't be afraid, you will be not alone, you or your team. Always the MS Club, the community will back you because we had mentors all throughout the competition. So if you register, you will get a mentor for that. So don't think how you will go. There will be a mentor definitely for your team who will be guiding you throughout the competition. And so it will be a great support. And after that, finally the third round. So the third round, where you can pitch your ideas and do presentations, and here you can bring your innovation within the time. So this is a great other, I can say this as a platform other than a competition because here you can bring all your creativity, your innovation, all those ideas within a limited amount of time. As Jagat sir mentioned, this will be a great uh, point where you can step into the industry. So this will just give you like an industrial experience for you to do a project like that. And other than this, there are several advantages of participating in this competition. So basically, it's definitely a confidence booster because as I said before, I haven't done any speaking or this type of public speaking before. So after this, now I have done several comparing sessions at SLIIT, and we have more courage to pitch our ideas, and we have did several presentations, and even in our company right now we do several presentations, and this point may be icebreakers for you also. So all you need is a stage where you can express your ideas. So this will be a great opportunity for you all. And not only this, this will be, as Pasannaya said, we will be working as a team. So there may be several people with different skills. So one can give a great idea, and one can be a good designer, and another one can be a techie guy. So it was like our group was. So all of you can get together and come up with a great idea. So you can have an idea, but you don't know how to give life to it. So this moment you can do it. So, and other than that, so there were several advantages as well. Last time we got some swags from the Microsoft, so it was really valuable. So there were some stickers, and we got a hamper, and I think a water bottle. So just these are small motivations for you, so you can also participate. And not only for the winners, there were gifts for all the participants as well. And mainly, another thing we got was we got a LinkedIn premium voucher. So it was valid up to 6 months. So it is a great addition for you all, because it's very expensive to get. I think most of you all will be in second year and third year. So you will be in the period where you all be searching for internships. So this will be a really a great addition for you all, because getting a premium voucher, this will uh, help you to shortlist it to your companies. And not only that, this if you either you are winning or you have participated, this will be a great value addition in your CV. So the recruiters, because every other student will be here, they will have all the academics and all other stuffs, but everyone will be not part of like these competitions, and they will not have this kind of experience. So this is a great chance to be unique from others. So it's really it's the time now you have, so you can participate in that. Everything you must do is to register the competition, and after that it will go on a flow, so you can do so. And other than that, uh, you can also get some valuable prizes, cash prizes as well. So we also got some like that in the last year. And the main reason I say to participate, I recommend it, because this is not just like the campus project what you all do, because there are several projects just like IWT, ITP and all those, but they all have some restrictions, because we have a guideline and we do it for that. But here it is not like that. It's an open playground. So you can bring any creative ideas you have, IoT, anything AI or any such ideas. So you can bring it here and you will get the correct guidance. And the special thing, you will get industry level experts advices. So I can remember even in the second round, of course, we got some experts from the Microsoft STEM Up as our judges. So we had a really great idea, of course. So once we presented, uh, they complimented us very well, and also they offered us a chance, so that they encouraged us to bring that idea for their STEM Up, so that we can do it and bring it better. So also we were working it to expand our idea, and still it's going on. So you can also bring up an idea like that, and this will be a great chance to expand it. And other than that, there is also another thing which I can tell you. It's like a bit of luck, and also uh, because the 3 or 4 members who we participated in this competition, immediately all of us got selected to the same team in our office as well. So we are working together. The first place where we worked was the mini hackathon competition, and still we are working as a team here. So it was also a bit of luck for us, and it's also happened from this stage. So I want to mention it here. And other than that, especially another thing is, this was my gateway for the MS Club. So after participating in this competition, I thought of joining this club. And not only mini hackathon, we also have several competitions and events going on. So after participating in this competition, I got chances to work with several people here. So there are different people where we can gain knowledges from, and also we have I have gained not only technical, also so many soft skills here. So this will be a really a great opening for you all also. So you can participate in the hackathon and do so. And I think as Pasannaya said earlier, um, there will these two paths may be contrasting. So as he said, he has participated and he said that from his path, and either he didn't win, he got many positives and advantages, and in my path we won and also we did, but both of us ended in the same place. So actually what you all can get here is either you win or lose, you can end up in a great place and you can get something out of this competition. So that is the point what I'm trying to say here. And therefore don't think twice, just all you have to do is register for the competition now itself. I think the competition has started open, so you can participate in that and bring your ideas out. And yeah, that's what I have to say, and also encourage all your friends to do so. And yeah, thank you and all the best for your mini hackathon and your future. Yeah, thank you. Over to you, Pamali.
Now, we are honored to welcome Mr. Chaturma Jayavikrama, President of the Faculty of Computing Student Community or FCSC. With his leadership and experience, he'll be sharing his insights and perspectives with us today. Over to you, Mr. Chaturma.
So yeah, thank you, Pameli. So very good evening, everyone. Uh, so I'm Chatur Mujayakrama from Faculty of Computing Student Community President. So first of all, thank you for MS Club for organizing this mini hackathon once again this year also, and for thank you for inviting the Faculty of Computing Student Community to be a part of it. So the mini hackathon is already going through years event as well. So hackathons are not just about coding. So they are about learning, collaboration, and pushing ourselves beyond comfort zones. So I have seen how these events bring out incredible creativity and teamwork, and I'm really happy to see our students also getting these kind of opportunities. So on behalf of FCSC, I had like to encourage all you to get take part of this, not just to win, but to experience the process, to challenge yourself and to grow. These moments often shape who we become in the future. So, guys, I wish all the very best for the mini hackathon 2025. So, looking forward to seeing the great energy and ideas from you all. So, do your best and get your experience. I'm not talking too much because on this time also, we guys are going a main major event in our faculty called Fest competition. So I think this year mini hackathon also will going a good perfect competition with Elusive's leadership and their team. So guys, best of luck to you all and participate in the mini hackathon 2025 and get more experience and learn about what is hackathon, what is knowledge, and what is team space and other stuff as well. So yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you, Chaturma, for your valuable tips and advices. We proudly recognize Evoke Labs as our gold partner of Mini Hackathon 2025. A heartfelt thanks to Evoke Labs as well. Moving on to our next speaker, Hinesha Pereira, the current secretary of MS Club of SLIIT. She will give us an overview of this event and explain what you can expect this year. Over to you, Hinesha.
I hope my screen is visible, right? So hello everyone. I'm Hinesha Pereira, the current secretary of MS Club of SLIIT, as well as a fourth year first semester data science undergraduate. So let me give you all a briefing about how the mini hackathon 2025 will be organized this time. So what is mini hackathon actually? It is a skill-based competition which is organized for the year 1, year 2, year 3 semester 1 students, and especially at SLIIT. So this is like the main focus of this event is to bring out fresh new ideas, innovative ideas for existing real world problems. So the specialty with the mini hackathon event is that unlike traditional hackathons, you'll find they have these programming competitions, but here what we focus is about bringing up innovative ideas and driving new solutions to real world problems. So let me tell you several key benefits out of the benefits. So many benefits that you gain by participating in the mini hackathon. The first one is you'll get a chance to elevate business ideas into real market products, and you'll get the chance to get expert ideas, the expert guidance for your new innovations, as well as you'll get a chance to work in a high pressure hackathon like environment, and you'll get to gain a new experience through this, as well as you'll get a chance to overcome competition fears, like you'll get the thing to do presentations and do public speaking. You'll get the chance to overcome that competition fear. So this would be an important slide. Here I have briefed the competition details where we have three main rounds: round one, round two, round three. Round one and round two will be virtual, and the round three will be a physical one, which is held at SLIIT. So round one will be starting on the 30th September and ending on 4th October. Round two will be starting on the 5th October and ending on 13th October. The final round three will be held at SLIIT on 21st October. So for more details, you can visit the official mini hackathon website, which is already live now. Y'all can register your teams and submit your proposals and view submissions through the website. And next, Tarinder will be telling you all about it. So I'll tell you about the selection process. Initially, you'll have open application atmosphere for round one, and then out of that, 20 teams will be selected to round two, and then 10 teams will be selected to round three. So finally, y'all will be selected first, second, third places out of the participants. For the competition rounds, you have these submissions. I will be explaining them in the upcoming slides. So for round one, you'll have a project proposal as well as a presentation video submission. And for round two, a Figma prototype and a 10-minute live presentation via Teams, which is like you'll have to do a live presentation, live demo of your product that you are presenting. And for round three, you'll have to bring up a solution to a given problem, which is provided to you on the final round day. And also, you'll have to do a Figma prototyping at that time itself and a live presentation. So let me in detail tell you about the round one submissions. So as I mentioned before, the submissions will begin on the 2nd September and end on the 30th September. So y'all have to form teams of 3 or 4 members, and y'all can only submit a single entry under the provided topic. So like if y'all have participated in before hackathons, y'all can participate this time, but y'all can't submit any previously submitted solutions for your submissions. So these are the following are the deliverables that we expect you all to submit. A project proposal, which can be a Word or PDF, and a presentation video, which is a 5-minute speech. And here these two will be optional. So you all have to submit these when you are registering your teams. For round two, the deliverables are as follows. So I should specifically mention that from round one to round two, y'all will be like 20 teams will be selected for round two. So for that, each team will be given a mentor, and they will help you and guide you to like they will help you with your project proposals. And I mean, yeah, they will help you to polish up your skills. So for round two, these are the deliverables: a project proposal and a live presentation, as I mentioned before. and you'll have to do a Figma prototype. Also, at the end of the session, there will be a Q&A session. This will be actually like a face-to-face meeting where you'll present your solution to the judges. For the round 3, it is a physical event, and you all will receive a topic and you will have 5 hours to develop the solution, which is like you'll have to do the Figma prototyping. So at the end, you'll have to do the live presentation of 10 to 15 minutes of the solution that you're bringing up, and you'll have to show the presentation, the Figma prototype. Let me give you all a few tips for your presentations. For round 1 submission, your main goal should be to highlight on the novelty of your solution to the judges, as well as to mention how the solution is really important in your selected category. And you'll have to highlight the key factors and points of your presented solution, and make sure to present the ideas in an easily understandable way to the judges. Also, the most important point is that you have to highlight how your current solution that you are providing will overcome the existing shortcomings in the particular domain. And also for the round 2, I told you that you all will be having an online meeting. So make sure to use your Microsoft Teams account, which is provided by the SLIIT email. And also make sure to set up your environment properly, such as the audio, mic, camera, proper background, proper lighting, and stable internet connection. Last but not the least, y'all will be given the judging criteria prior to the rounds. So make sure to go through them and read the criteria properly so that y'all get a chance to score marks good. Yeah, so that's all about it, about the briefing. I hope y'all will apply for the competition, and good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Hinesha, for your valuable tips and advice. Finally, let me introduce our final speaker, Tharindu Dhananjaya, to walk you guys through the application process of Mini Hackathon 2025. And he is the development lead of MS Club of SLIIT. Without further ado, let me hand over this session to Tharindu.
Okay. I'll go through the team registration process of Mini Hackathon 2025. So when you visit the Mini Hackathon official website, here we have the register button. After clicking it, you will be redirected into the register section. Then you have to enter the team name here. And then the asset link. Asset link is, as the previously mentioned, we have to put a link where we are going to upload the proposals and the other uploads. Make sure to give, when copying the link, make sure to give the accessibility for anyone and the view access. After giving it, you can paste it here. Then we have to enter the member details. As the first step, you have to enter the leaders details. Then the contact of the leader. Then we have SLIIT ID and the mail. Then you have to select the faculty and the academic year. Like this, you have to enter the details of the second member. Then you have to enter the details of the third member. The fourth member is optional here, but if you want, you can add the fourth member. If your group consists of 4 members. Then it will take some time to generate the ticket, and then for the mails that you have mentioned in the registration form, you will be getting the same ticket for your email also, and then you can save the ticket here. Here I got the registration ticket. So here also you can download the ticket. And that's the process for the team registration for the Mini Hackathon 2025. I'll share the link for this website in the chat. Okay, thank you. Over to you, Pamali.
Thank you, Tarindu, for that valuable information. That brings us to the end of today's session. On behalf of MS Club of SLIIT, I would like to thank all our speakers, Mr. Jagat Vikramaratna, Mr. Pasan Karunasekara, Janukshan Sivakumar, Mr. Chaturma Jayavikrama, Hinesha Pereira, and Thanindu Dhananjaya, and everyone who joined us for today's Mini Hackathon Awareness Session 2025. We hope you gained valuable insights and are excited to take part in this year's event. We look forward to seeing your creativity and innovation shine. With that, it's a wrap for today's session. Thank you for your time, your energy, and your enthusiasm. We can't wait to see the amazing ideas you'll bring to life. Thank you everyone for joining us.